Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy tablet like without the power button. If you're facing some kind of issues with the power button or you're not able to turn on, so how can you fix that? Now as you can see, if I directly go to the like Reddit, the people have posted some kind of answers like how you can do that. Like Samsung tablet or power button is missing or is not working depending on your case. And here is the solution which you can try. Like first one, press the volume down button together with the home button. Like you just need to press two buttons, volume down and the home button together. And once you press these buttons and turn the plug for the charger on. This is the third step. Step one, volume down button. Step two, home button. Step three is turn the plug charger on. And once you do that, you will see some kind of options like restore, turn on, or like cancel restore or reboot. You will see these type of options, so just click on the reboot, which will basically restart your tablet. Once you click on reboot, it will be normal and turned on just like the normal mobile phone. Like the process is pretty simple, either on all the Galaxy devices which have home button and the volume button as well. You can just click on volume button, home button, plug in the charger, click on reboot, and after that your issue will be fixed. Now the process is pretty simple on all those tablets which have the home button, so make sure to click it and fix your problem.